Hello everyone, this is Nissy from Google Japan. Today I'm going to show you how to drastically speed up your workflow. Our topic today is Google Contacts. To be honest, I didn't realize how powerful this tool was until recently, and I was wasting so much time. I'll show you how to finish Gmail and calendar and entires in a split second while sharing my screen. Let's get started. First, let's check how to open Google Contacts. So click on the 9-dot grid. So it's Google Apps menu. In the top right corner of your Google home screen, like this. So this is the contacts. So select the blue contacts icon. This is your main dashboard for managing everything. So take a look at the left menu. You'll see the main sections. So contacts, directory, frequent, other contacts. Step 2, adding and organizing contacts. Now let's look at how to properly add people to your list. Open up frequent. So the list shows people you've emailed in the past, automatically organized by Google. So hover over name and you see the add to contacts like this. This is a save contacts. Save contacts button on the right. So click it to add them to your official list, like this. So you can see contacts. So this is the official. So once added, the pencil icon will appear. So you can use this to update their name or company info. Cooker 8, like this.
That's really great.
Yeah.
Because before I was receiving emails, but
Yeah.
I was not sure how to do with that contact list.
Yes.
And I never put the eyes on this function.
Yeah, good, Naruto. So step 3, creating your own nicknames. So here's a very handy trick. In the edit screen, like this, so try adding keywords like manager or client in the last name field. Once saved, you can just type manager in Gmail and their email address will pop up as a suggestion. So last name, manager, Nissy. Okay, Nissy. And saved. So I open the Gmail screen and compose manager like this. Wow. Don't worry, this change is only visible to you. So the recipient won't see manager in their inbox.
But don't set up a name too bad.
Yes, exactly. Okay, so step 4. Now for the main event, the label feature. So click create label in the left hand menu and enter group name like sales team or project X. Go back to your contact list and check the boxes next to everyone you want in that group. And you can apply it to the label by just dragging it. That's it.
That's so convenient.
Yes.
Doing this, you can much easier find the person you want from the team you register them.
Definitely. So step 5, batch entry in Gmail and calendar. Gmail and calendar, this is important point. So now let's use the labels we just created. In Gmail, click compose and start typing in the label name like sale. So we can see the sales team like this. Wow. The label will appear and just click it and everyone's email addresses will be filled instantly. Amazing. In Google Calendar, this is useful too. So you can create a new calendar and meeting for Christmas. Okay? Add guest. So create an event and type the label name in the add guest fields. You can invite the whole team in one go. So I type in say sales team. That's it.
That's really great.
Yes.
Because always we have so many projects.
Yes, exactly.
Normally we can contact the company people from the chat.
Yes.
But when we have someone from outside, this function definitely will save your life.
Yes, this is very convenient. And you can save and send. That's it. So great. Step 6. Checking interaction history in seconds. So there's another amazing feature on the individual contact page. So click on a person in your list to open the details, okay, like this. So look at the bottom right, you'll see a section called Recent Interactions and Shared Files. So this lists all your past emails and meetings with them in chronological order. So below that is Shared Files. It automatically lists all the Google Drive documents you've shared with that person. So there's no need to search for them manually. You can click this invitation letter, so click open and you can see the document shared each other.
That's really great. Nice to catching up.
Yes. How about that? Registering contacts, grouping them with labels, and sending batch emails or invites. These simple steps will save you an incredible amount of admin time. Try creating labels for your main clients or team members today. If you like this video, please don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.